Good morning, my dear friends. Let this day be a wonderful day full of hope and love for you and for everyone in your life. There are some events that bring us a lot of pain and a kind of loss of our happiness, and that is many things we find it hard to handle. For example, um, I went to study in Rome in 1992 to 96. When I came back to India to resume my teaching in the major seminary, I love playing badminton. And one day when I was playing badminton, I jumped and hit the ball and landed. When I landed, I really broke my ankle, and it kept me with a cast for a while. It was painful. After that experience, my mom was so worried about, how much time it's going to take for you to get back on your own feet. It took a while, but I was all right. When pain and loss happen, how do we deal with them? We always try to avoid and flee from our pain, or as soon as possible put it away. That is a human tendency. But when there is loss of any kind, loss of stability, loss of partnership, loss of friendship, or even in cases of divorce, you lose your life partner. How do you deal with those loss or pain? Either you can flee from the pain and ignore and put it aside as if it doesn't exist. That is not a healthy way to handle it. You observe the pain or loss, you understand what it is, then you can deal it in a healthy way. For example, somebody going through a soldier PTSD, it brings you panic attack. That person has trust issues. But if you know when it comes, what triggers it, you have a strategy to handle it, you can really handle it in a good way. When your ankle is broken, you cannot stop walking. You have to deal with it with a physical therapist. You take baby step every day, do some little exercises, and then rebuild your strength. This is what we call resilience. We have always inner strength to handle the pains and losses happening in our lives. It is just how do you go back to yourself and tap that inner strength and rebuild your energy and thirst for life. That you can do with a little small form of meditation. When you have pain and loss or difficult situation to face with, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and bring yourself to realize that I have got my inner spiritual strength to which I want to connect with at this moment. Then say to yourself, with God's help, I will have a good life. I stay safe. I am easing all that is happening in my life. Put those positive words through your meditation moment, and then you touch that inner strength that comes to you what God has put in you when He created. The strength of your soul, the strength of the true spirit in you that is implanted in you by God. You tap that strength and rebuild. You can bounce back from whatever loss, whatever pain, whatever loss of relationship, whatever loss of money, you can bounce back. We all have inner strength God has given us. Tap that and live happily. God bless you. Have a great day, my friends.